Ooh, my hair looks really bad there. Okay, so another Swiss Army one. This one is Swiss Champ XLT Sapphire. At least I think it's Sapphire. Okay, so here it is. And now you probably remember this because I showed this in another video when I was comparing the size of the Swiss Champ XLT, and then the Swiss Champ XAVT. Swiss Champ was smaller than this, and the XAVT was bigger than this. So I'm not going to go over every function because I already did that on the XAVT, and there's nothing on this that is not on the XAVT, I believe. If I'm not correct, you know, let me know. Pen. You know, toothpick as usual, tweezers as usual. This is pretty cool. You probably can't see it, but it says Victorinox sort of inside the blue. Oh, there you go. You can see it. That's pretty neat. Okay, so this thingy, I think this was like a pill, something for medication, or there's this doojigger here. Ow! Which is very, very sharp, so don't do that. Okay, and we've got this, which you can turn around and use that end, and then there's even more parts inside there for it. You know, there's the typical Phillips head screwdriver, and then the can opener with the mini flathead screwdriver, the regular flathead screwdriver, magnifying glass, blade, small blade, big blade, what the hell is this thing? File, saw, I think it's a fish scaler with centimeters on one side and inches on the other side. Large scissors. Some kind of other blade. Excuse me. I guess I am going to do the whole thing. Wrench. Or no, not wrench, pliers, sorry. What's on the back? All-purpose hook. Teeny weeny screwdriver for glasses. Corkscrew. Screw. The ever popular pin. Not. Oh, frick. Yeah, that's good. This thing, which I totally forget what it is, and I'm not going to bother looking it up today. And I guess this has something to do with wire, I think. Wires. I totally forget what this is. Okay, so I think I've gone through everything. Yeah. And this was in the box, and you know, the usual Cyber Tool user's guide, and then there's the regular user's guide, and another XLT. Oh, this is the guide just for the XLT. So I guess I could have read that instead of just guessing, but I didn't, so tough. Alright. Oh, this is a long video. Alright, well, okay, I swear that is the last video I'm going to do tonight. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell when I do videos the same night or whatever, but it's the last one for tonight, so I will see you soon, I guess.